Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel,
Charming Tech Pros.
And today's lesson will be about mail merging in Microsoft Word 2013. So in this case, we'll first start by defining the terms, and that is mail merging. So exactly, mail merge is a feature within most data processing applications that enables users to send a similar letter or document to multiple recipients. So in this case, we'll be using Microsoft Word 2013, as you can be able to see under the accounts information here. This is Microsoft Word 2013. So let's continue. So the first thing that you need to understand in mail merging is that you first need to have a common letter. So this is the exact document that I'll be sending to different recipients at the same time. So what you need to do is you just need to head to the mailings part here, the mailings tab in Microsoft Word 2013, then head to select recipients, and in this case you first need the recipients addresses. So first thing that you need to do, you need to have the list. So for example, for me, I want to create a new list so that you can be able to understand better. So I'm going to type a new list. So when you type the new list there's this particular dialog box that appears here. So in this case, we will have the title of the first recipient, the first name, last name, company, address line 1. There are so many, address line 1, 2, 3, 4, as you continue. So in this case, exactly what you need first to do is to edit this particular column details here, so you can do away with what you don't want and remain with what you want. So in this case, I'm simply just going to customize the columns under the customize button here, customize the columns, and then there is yet another dialog box here. So exactly, first thing that you need to do we need the title of the person? Do we need to have the first name? So it is for you to be able to understand. So what you need to do, you just need to click on what you do not want and you can be able to delete. For example, in my list here, because this is a letter of my performance in terms of data management. So exactly what I'm going to do, I do not need the company name of the person, probably because I'm just going to share with maybe a number of friends, so I don't need the company name anyway, just for demonstration purposes. So the company name, you just need to click on it, then head to delete. I do not want that, and then it prompts you to when do you delete, when you want to delete the field company name in any information in this field, you will also be this field will also be deleted, so you just need to click yes. Case, I just want to teach you something here so that at least you can be able to add the field that you do not have. So exactly, how can you be able to add a field? So you just need to click on this particular add button here. So type a name for your field. So in this case, I'm going to type maybe the phone number. So in this case, I'm gonna put contact, all right? So because I don't have the contact, and then the city I'm gonna also delete. After the contact, probably, so you understand now how you can be able to add missing fields. Also, you can be able to rename a field. For example, I don't want this first name to be this, so I'm just going to rename it. So you just need to click on it, then head to rename, and then now you can write maybe the name. I just want the name only, so I'm just going to edit this one from there, and I can be able to do away with that. Last name, so this one I can also be able to rename it. So this one I'm going to rename it as other name. All right, so we continue. So guys, the moment that you are able to have all the fields that you need, okay guys, even before that, you can also be able to move a field either up or down. In this case, probably we say the title is here, the title, or rather, for example, you can just move this contact up to this part here. So after the title, we have the contact. So what you need to do is just need to click on the contact, then head to the button, to the move up button. So you just need to click on it, and the button simply can be able to take the contact field either up or down. There is also a down button here. All right, so in this case, so that you can be able to manage or rather arrange your field names the way you want them to be. All right, so you just need to click OK after this. So guys, in this case I'm creating an address list. So the title of the person that I wanted to receive this particular letter, the title of the person is Uber driver. All right, so the name of that particular Uber driver is Stephen. The other name is Mkuli, right? So the contact number is 0720. After that, after you get to the end of the last column field, you just need to click here at this particular part that is written new entry. So you just need to click on it, and then there is a new entry here, manager Joseph Mkuli, and then again his number also +254. So guys, in this case you can be able to have as many recipients as you want. All right, so the next thing that you need to do after this, you just need to click OK, and then it's going to prompt you where to save the list. So I want to save my list on the desktop, and the list is gonna be named as list. All right, so that is the file name of the list. Then click save. All right, so that part is really done. So what you need to do is just head back again to mailings, and then select recipients, and then this time around we are going to use this particular part here written use an existing list, because we already have a list. All right, so in this case you're going to check where the list the saving location of the list, where you saved it. Mine, I saved it as at the desktop there. Then this is the list here. It looks like a database. Then click. So after that guys, you're just going to head to insert merge fields, and in this case guys, you can also be able to add an address block and even a greeting line. So but in this case we'll just head to direct to insert merge fields, and then after that there is a drop down button here that simply indicates the column fields that you had. So in this case I'm just gonna start with the title, just the way I arranged them. So I'm gonna start with the title. After the title will appear here. Then I just press enter on my keyboard. After that I'm just gonna head and insert the next field name, which is name. After that I'm just going to head back again to other name, and after the other name I insert now the last field, which is contact. And then after that I'm just going to head to finish and merge. In this case you just need to click edit individual documents. All right, so you just need to click on that part, and when it prompts you to this merge to new document part, you just need to click all, and then the field names will be inserted automatically. So we have the Uber driver, his name is Steven, his second name is Mkuli, and this is his contact number. All right, that's easy. So the second person is the manager, his name is Joseph Mkuli, and we have his contact number there. All right, so exactly. So in this case, if you want now to send the email, or rather send them the letters, so you just need to head to the file part here, print your document comfortably, so you can be able to see that this is the first person, which is the Uber driver. His document is in 2 pages. Exactly, so this is the manager Joseph Mkuli and his contact number. So you just need to print these documents, and now you'll be able to separate them. So the Uber driver you'll put in one envelope, the other person, which is the manager, will also put in another envelope, and be able to send them at the same time. All right, so exactly, so that's how you can be able to do a mail merging in Microsoft Word 2013. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting computer tutorials, and this is your #1 computer tutorials platform. Thank you.
Charming Tech Pros.